What's good, guys? It's your boy Ebike Boogie. I've been MIA, as you guys noticed. Got into a pretty bad bike accident. Or should I say e-bike accident. Well, I got cut off in the bicycle lane while I was actually in the loading zone respecting the cyclists in the bike lane. One of the cyclists decided that the cyclist in front of him was going too slow. He decided to take a quick, sharp right without looking, because if he did, he would have noticed that I was in that lane. Anyway, long story short, went straight into me. I went over the handlebars, head first into a cab. Yes, I was wearing my helmet. Saved my freaking life. Unconscious, all that good stuff. Got the concussion. Yeah, I'm okay though. Still recovering. Bike is messed up. Frame is bended. Wheel is smashed. Fork is bended. Crankshaft, not really a crankshaft anymore. But you see, that's okay because we're gonna upgrade today, guys. We're gonna be putting on some inverted D&M forks. These are real freaking forks. And we're actually upgrading the wheel, guys. This is the same 20x4, but this is a much rigged and better wheel or rim. Why? First off, if you check this out right here, this is a 20x4 15 by 150 millimeter axle through. This isn't a quick release like that comes on most stock e-bikes. This means not only a more rigged and efficient wheel, but it makes it better for better forks. So you can upgrade to actual real forks that require the axle through. Right here, as you can see. But they definitely have some weight to them, guys, compared to the stock forks. I mean, when I say weight to them, probably like 4 to 5 times the weight of the stock forks. Yeah, so that's going to be pretty good. So stay tuned to the build, guys. Man, I've been down for like 3 weeks, so we're gonna see how this goes. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. Like I said, we're also going to be replacing that crankshaft as well. We got a crankset coming in. And I'm also going to be replacing the 203 millimeter rotor with a 180 because I feel that would be much more sufficient. So guys, please stay tuned. Hit that like and subscribe button. And yeah, it's your boy, Ebike Boogie.